BFMP's 1 megawatt gas modular generator unit integrates three 350 kilowatts gas generator sets into a single 40-foot container. Provide users with a complete 1 megawatt gas generator solution. The solution consists of three 350 kilowatts gas generator sets, three outgoing switchgear units, and one set of radiators, forming a 1 megawatt gas modular unit. Install a flue waste heat boiler. At the end of the unit's exhaust manifold, it can constitute a complete cogeneration unit product. Using three 350 kilowatts generators to construct a 1 megawatt gas modular container, it can easily adapt to changes in the user's application environment and load requirements, and conveniently adjust the unit's operation by loading or unloading as the load changes. The unit uses a 350 kilowatts gas generator set, which is the YC6TD gas unit with Jenbacher technology. In terms of lean combustion, high energy ignition, and intelligent fuel ratio control, it is on par with top international brand engines. The 1 megawatt GA modular unit utilizes a highly efficient, integrated miniature radiator to meet the unit's operational cooling requirements. It also features high integration, low energy consumption, low noise, and low maintenance costs. Considering the different application characteristics of various customers, the 1 megawatt gas modular unit can be equipped with a standard vertical water tank and radiator. For customers to choose, BFMP's 1 megawatt gas modular unit products can help customers easily build microgrid ranging from 1 megawatt to 30 megawatts, convenient, fast, and low cost, providing customers with integrated cogeneration solutions.